Welcome to this online learning session to introduce the new Quality Portal on ILM Walled Garden. The Quality Portal is the new feature within Walled Garden designed to improve the way we manage quality assurance activities. This will help eliminate a number of manual tasks and allow greater control and visibility. On Walled Garden, the Quality tab will only be visible if you have been allocated a quality role on top of your standard Walled Garden user profile. Quality access can be granted at 3 levels: full access, administration, and read-only. To get access to Quality, contact your primary user. Within the Quality portal, centres will be able to do a number of things online, such as view all approved qualifications, their approval status and your allocated external verifier, view when quality assurance activities are planned and submit activity planning documents, and submit centre update forms. In this session, we're going to look at viewing approved qualifications and quality assurance activities. In the Centre Portal tab, which is open by default, in the first drop-down box, select My Qualifications. Select the appropriate centre number and click Search. You will now see a list of all your approved qualifications. For each qualification, you will see a product code or ILM qualification number and description, the date you received approval, the last registration date, the last certification date according to our catalogue, the name of your external verifier, and your approval status. For a full breakdown of statuses, please refer to the user guide. To find a particular qualification, you can sort the list by clicking on the grey column headers. You can also export the information to Microsoft Excel by scrolling to the bottom of the screen, clicking Download and following the instructions. Now we will look at quality assurance activities. Staying in the Centre Portal, select Quality Assurance Visits in the drop-down menu. Select your centre number and a time period for your search. The time period in this case refers to the planned visit date. This is a provisional date entered by the quality team when scheduling the activity, not the exact date when the activity took or will take place. We recommend you select a wide period covering both the past and future. Once you've made your selection, click Search. This may take a while depending on the number of activities for your centre. The list of activities will appear on the right of the screen. You can also sort the list by clicking on the grey column headers. Each activity will have a reference number and a description to identify it. This will be followed by a status and up to 3 dates, which are the planned visit date, the actual visit date, and the report submitted date. You will find the full list of status descriptions and what they mean in your user guide. Please note that the red Attach Documents button is not available for use and will be removed in the future. From this screen, you can view any centre activity forms or reports by finding the activity on the list and clicking on the reference number. Finally, on this screen, you can also submit your CA2 form for an up-and-coming sampling activity. This form must be submitted at least 5 weeks prior to the activity. Find your activity. The status will be CA1 received. Click on the reference number. When the online form appears, select Sampling Form CA2 and click Create. Complete the form by clicking the boxes or attaching documents. You can save the form at any time and come back to it later. If you have successfully saved the form, you will be shown a confirmation message. To return to the form, click Search again on the left-hand side, go back to the list of activities and click on the reference number again. This time click Change to reopen the form. As part of the CA2 form, you will need to supply the learner's details. You can do this a number of ways. The easiest way will be to attach your own list through the Browse function. This format needs to be agreed with your external verifier and must follow our standard CA2 format. You can attach any document to the form. The only one we cannot accept are zip files. The other option will be to complete the table shown here by entering in the learner's information. Once you have completed all the information, scroll down and click Submit. If the form was submitted successfully, you will see a confirmation page. Otherwise, the form has not been submitted. Scroll through the form to find any errors highlighted in red print, amend and try again. Finally, we can review a report showing all of your quality assurance activities for the last 6 months and the next 12 months. To do this, in the navigation panel at the top, click Activity Planner. This can be exported to Microsoft Excel by clicking Download to Excel. We hope you found the online learning session useful. Check out our user guides and other online sessions. If you have any further questions or queries, please contact ILM Customer Services.